Merry Christmas, everybody. I just wanted to come on here real quick and unwrap some SLGs. So if you want to see what I picked up, just keep watching. Hey, Andrea, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. But don't forget to also hit that notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But guys, let's get into this. So this is going to be an SLG haul. I have SLGs from 2 or 3 different brands, and a lot of these pieces were items that I got on sale, and then some of them are pieces that I got off eBay on the resale market. So let's just get into it. But before we even start with the SLGs, I wanted to share with you guys something that I picked up off of QVC. Now, it's been at least 2 years since I've ordered anything on QVC, like, to be honest. But I was watching an unboxing. It was PSA, Public Shopping Addict, and she actually was unboxing some Dooney and Bourke handbags. I'll link her video so you can see what she got. But she also unboxed some items that she picked up from QVC, and I ordered 2 of what she got, even though I didn't need any of them. But anyway, what I got were 2 sets of these Grooves wireless headphones. And I thought the packaging was really nice, number one. So when you open up the box, you see it comes with like a velvet carrying pouch. And then inside, there's a couple spare sets of the little silicone things that cover the earbuds. And here's just a thank you card with a QR code, I guess, if you wanted to go to their website. And then your USB plug for charging. But guys, the thing that really attracted me to these were just super cute, is that they're blinged out. So I got 2 colors. I got the pink. So this is what they look like when you open it up. You see here it has a little digital display to tell you how much of a charge they're holding. But then I also got the same ones in gold. And apparently these, yeah. So these look the same. So the actual earbuds themselves are white. It's just the case that's the different color. But I just thought these were really cute. I think they were like $29.99 or $39.99, something like that. But anyway, just wanted to show you those real quick. But let's get into the real reason why you came, and that's for these SLGs. So let's see here. I'm going to try to get it in. I'm going to unwrap these in the order that I actually got them in. So I'm going to start with Coach. So I only have, I believe, 2 SLGs from Coach. So we're going to start first with what's in this dust bag. So guys, when I unboxed the Rowan, the Ivory Rowan, I knew that I was going to want to buy some SLGs to go with it. But I really wasn't sure what I wanted. And then I decided I wanted to keep it simple and get some Coach, just some signature SLGs. I don't really have a lot of signature Coach because I've said in the past that I'm not a big fan, but I'm warming up to it and decided that I did want some small leather goods in the signature. So what I found on eBay, I got 2 pieces from a Coach collab, and guys, I'm so excited. So the first one I got is the I don't even know what this is called, but I've already opened it up, so it's out of like the plastic and everything, but it's the zip around wallet in the peanuts. So I just thought this was super cute. So it has gold hardware. You open it up, a lot of space. So this one has 12 card slots. So it's 6 on this side and 6 on that side. Then you got a zipper compartment in the center. You've got plenty of space for stuff in between the card slots and the zipper compartment on both sides. And then more space in between there's like 3 compartments in this bag, really 4 if you want to count the zipper compartment. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments in this wallet, and then 12 card slots. Super cute. And the interior, I don't know what color Coach calls this, but it's like a burgundy-ish like interior. Y'all can see. And you can see it's got, like I said, the card slots on each wall with the zipper compartment in the middle. But I thought this was super cute. And so to go along with it, I picked up a matching key holder. So this is a 5-ring key holder. Also super cute. And this interior is the same. So it's not really burgundy. It's almost like a orangish color, I guess. The lighting in here is a little weird because it's kind of late in the afternoon and I'm using natural light. The sun's going down, and this, depending on what direction I have this pointed in, the color looks different. But as you can see, it has 5 key rings and then another one down here. You've got like little slots on each side if you wanted to stick cards or something inside of there. But I thought this was super cute. And y'all know my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder has been through the ringer, and I'm starting to feel like it's time to retire it or at least let it rest for a little while. So I think I'm going to move into this one. Now that I've shown it to you guys, it's no longer new, so it's ready to be used. So let's move along to Dooney. So guys, I'm filming on Christmas Eve, and I normally film on Mondays, but I had a lot going on yesterday. I had doctor's appointments and stuff took longer than what I expected, so I didn't get to film it all. But you guys will see this on Christmas Day. I will be working because I do have to work on Christmas, unfortunately, but I hope that you all are spending quality time with your friends and family, and that you are enjoying the holidays and staying safe. So let's get into this next one. So we're going to move on to Dooney and Bourke now. And I've got more Dooney than anything with these SLGs. So the first item came in this box. And y'all know when I did the birthday unboxing that y'all should have known that I was going to eventually be wanting to get SLGs to go with stuff. So I ended up getting the Greta small zip around wallet to go with the bucket bag, the drawstring that I purchased. So this wallet has a front slip pocket, and then it has a back zipper pocket, has the braid detail on the zipper pull, gold stitching. You see you've got the Dooney and Bourke plaque up front. You get on the inside. So this has 8 card slots. So this has 8 card slots, and then you have your little space in the back for bills. Super nice wallet. So we'll definitely be using this with my Greta drawstring. This will go perfect with it. Get this back in the box. The one thing I will say about Dooney is that they put a lot of paper and stuff. The Coach can too, though. They use a lot of extra, unnecessary, in my opinion, wrapping with their stuff. So let's get into my next Dooney pieces. So it's going to be in this box. So I know what I ordered, but I don't know what's going to be in this box because I got another box over here as well. So we'll see. Okay. So this could have been shipped in an envelope. Okay. Well, no, it couldn't. So this actually has 2 pieces. So the first piece I got was I just wanted another Florentine coin pouch. And since I got that Greta bucket bag, I decided to get it in natural. So this is what she's looking like. She's not smooth at all. As a matter of fact, she looks just like my Florentine micro satchel. I mean, like as far as the texture and the pebbling on the leather, it's identical. And I've had that satchel for years, but the way this leather looks, I would swear that they came from the same batch of leather. So not a smooth Florentine piece, but it is what it is. It's still a very nice piece of leather and a very nice SLG, especially for the price. I think I got this for like $30, 39, something like that. So y'all know this has a front zipper compartment, and then the main compartment has a lot of space, and it has like a key holder inside of here. I mean, this is basically like the Louis Vuitton key plate, just better, if you ask me. And then there's a slip pocket on the back. The thing that I like about these little pieces are just the attention to detail. The stuff in here is making this zipper really difficult. So the attention to detail, like again, the braid detail on the zipper pulls, the whip stitch around the top, the gold stitching, just a really, really nice, good quality piece of leather. So I'll definitely enjoy using this in my little bucket bag. And then this right here, I didn't expect to be as big. If I would have known that it was going to be this big, I probably would have looked for a smaller one, because I actually ordered this to wear in my bucket bag as well. But this is going to be too big to wear that drawstring. But anyway, this is what is this called? I forgot what Dooney calls this. Where's the Carrington. So this is the Carrington wristlet in the Greta in navy. So this has the wristlet, detachable wristlet strap, and it also has the tasseled zipper pull, which is absolutely gorgeous. The inside of this is very spacious. Wow, this is a bag. So it has six card slots and a zipper compartment on the back wall, and then a huge slip pocket on the front wall. So this is the front wall, and then this is what the back wall looks like, and then you can see it has a zipper compartment as well. Very nice. But again, this is too big to wear to use inside of my small drawstring. Like, it'll fit, but this is too big. I'll probably need one half this size to use in that. So I'll probably use this by itself and with the Florentine's twist strap hobo that I have. I think that'll look nice in there with this. So let's get into this second box, guys. And I know what this is now that I've opened up the other box. I already know what's in this, and I'm excited about these too. And so what I picked up were 2 of the cosmetic pouches. Y'all know Dooney had those cosmetic pouches on sale for like $29. So I got the hydrangea in both the black and the blue, or whatever color they call this, black or white. I don't know if this is white or blue, but let me open these up. So guys, these are super nice, and Dooney has basically been putting all of their cosmetic pouches on sale. Like the polka dot ones were on sale. I don't know what the ones they call with the stripes, but those were on sale. Like at one point, they have all of these have been on sale at one point for like $29. So that's why I went on ahead and decided to get both of them. But this also has the braid detail on the zipper pull. I love the brown zipper tape on this bag, really pretty. Inside of here is that gorgeous burlap linen material that I say I wish Dooney would use inside of more of their bags. So it has a just one slip pocket on the back wall, right below the Dooney patch. And then outside of that, it's just one open space. So I didn't really have any particular bags in mind when I purchased these, but I knew that I could always use some cosmetic pouches and I would be able to mix and match. So let's open up this black one. I'm really starting to dig Dooney's canvas. This canvas is really nice, like their coated canvas. So this is what the black one is looking like. Very pretty. Just look at those. Beautiful. I'm not even a floral type of girly, but this is just such a beautiful print. I don't know if it's the colorway or what, but the hydrangea has always been pretty to me, even though I say I'm not big on flowers. It's just gorgeous. And at the price that they were offering, I had to go ahead and get both of them. I'm going to take the stuffing out of here, though, because they're just making them way too bulky and take up too much space. All right, so we got those out of the way. So I believe we're down to the very last SLG. And guys, this is one that I didn't purchase. It actually came today in the mail, and it's a Christmas gift from my little sister. And I've already taken a peek at it, but we're just gonna look at the box that it came in. So we already know that it came from MCM. And like I said, I've already peeked, so I kind of unwrapped it, but y'all can see the little sticker and the wrapping. You get inside, and so cute. She got me the card case in the green color. Isn't this pretty? It's gorgeous. So this has, you got the 2 card slots right here on the front, but if you flip it over, there's also 2 on the back, and then of course there's an empty slot in the middle. Very pretty. And then it also came with the MCM dust bag. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I just wanted to come on here real quick because I wanted to spend a few minutes with you on Christmas Day, but I hope that your holiday is safe and happy, full of love, good food, friends, and family. And until the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves. Bye.